distributed ledger technology that records and updates data based on a decentralized system. The records are interconnected by a digital digest or hash of the previous blocks. As each user has a copy of the blockchain, the data can be audited, verified, and registered transparently. As each user can validate the complete chain and add a block, there must be a consensus between the different connected users with its copy. The blockchain cannot be hijacked by a minority or by an unstable majority, since blocks are chained, and in order to modify older blocks, changes in subsequent blocks must be consistently approved. So, each one has a copy of the blocks, assuring integrity. Opposite to the traditional centralized control mechanism on the transactions, where the bank is the intermediate entity that interchanges and validates the goods, in a blockchain, it is possible to set a system without a central institution or organization in charge of validation. Then it is possible to make transactions peer-to-peer directly. This is the implementation of blockchain proposed for CO3 project for the interchange of goods. The blockchain exchange system developed inside the CO3 is an aggregation service API running on top of the Ethereum-based blockchain system Hyperledger Besu. This aggregation service provides to the consortium the methods to create, register users and organizations. It manages the tokens and also creates and interacts with smart contracts. With the CO3 blockchain wallet, the users can manage their tokens and spend credits on local products. The smart contracts are code that will execute a task and will update the shared database once certain conditions are verified by the nodes. The contract is resolved automatically once the conditions are met. In the case of the blockchain system implemented on the CO3, it means that if, for example, an organization creates a smart contract that rewards with a 30-minute free parking time if you participate in a course, the nodes will verify if a certain wallet sent a payment for the course and will execute the operation of sending him one token for 30-minute parking time. As the token is a virtual representation of some goods, it can be as simple as coupon code to be inserted into the parking meter. In CO3, smart contracts will be an essential tool for crowdfunding campaigns as a mechanism to manage tokens representing rewards to contributions. In the case of the blockchain exchange system implemented in the CO3, the chosen validation algorithm is based on proof of authority (POA). Many blockchain implementations use proof of work as a validation mechanism (POW). POA only needs a small number of nodes, the sealers, that are the only ones with permissions to add blocks to the chain. POA validation is better suited to the implementation in the CO3 project, where the ACAs can set their identity and trustiness in stake as validator nodes. The CO3 project's implementation of the blockchain exchange system uses proof of authority as a validation mechanism. The interchange of tokens enables the possibility of interchange of fungible and non-fungible goods across the different users present on the pilots. These tokens can be used to book courses, buy goods and services, or to manage rights to the different augmented reality geolocated areas inside the pilot's sides. Tokens are an enabler of transactions and can be associated with real goods like course access, train or bus travel passes, AR objects, certificates, message permissions or spaces. The CO3 blockchain wallet is an interface to access to the blockchain exchange system using the provided private keys. This wallet is embedded in the unified CO3 app and is able to handle actions triggered by other CO3 components. It is expected that this mechanism stimulates the sharing economy inside the communities to control and develop crowdfunding campaigns. It is expected that a blockchain-based open-access resource economy will stimulate the communities because of the possibility of redistributing the commons value. It also brings implicit moderation mechanisms, which are tokens that symbolize the permissions attached to a shared physical value, like a building or room.